Hello guys, this is Martin, and today I want to show you something funny actually. So it's basically a project which I came across. It has not much to do with security, well, kind of, but you can embed LLMs into a PDF file, right? Like, so this is super funny. I've just found this fascinating. Um, it's effectively you can load like a custom model into a PDF. So it's describing this. It has like a generation script, generate pdf.py. So it's a Python script, and then you basically tell the script where your model is. So it has to be in gguf format, but you can find loads of models, right? Like on Hugging Face, for example, download them, just put them there in the root directory, and then say like, hey, I want to create a PDF with it. Now, I don't know a real use case for this. I mean, it's definitely a marketing gag or something, but it's interesting so that you can actually embed tiny models, right, in gguf format into a PDF, and they actually work. So here on this website I will put them, I can't pronounce this, I will put them into the description of the video, but basically, so there's like three of them are available, so you can just download them locally, right? Or you can open them, but they will only work if you run them in Chrome or in Chromium or something like that, right? So for that reason, I have just done like one test in Chromium, so I downloaded this locally, right? And then I ask it like a question here, and I'm not redoing this because the fan goes crazy, as you can imagine, right? Like, so this is worse than running them on the Raspberry Pi, the models. But basically, I say here, like here you can see the history, like say something nice. And then it says like, one day named Sue, she saw him who. Like, it's like a little poem or something. It's not super powerful, I mean, because you can only use like the tiny models and things like this, but you can prompt it here, and then you see like the amount of tokens and the context length as well. So it has like two functionalities, an ask and a complete functionality. This could be funny, you know, like if you send it to a customer, for example, and then hey, ask the LLM directly here, and you can even prompt it like you have like your system prompt and things like this. So this is quite funny, but obviously it all depends on the hardware where they're running it from, and if it's like um, not a capable laptop or something like this and only has 8 gig or even less, then they will certainly hear the fans. So not encouraging a denial of service condition here. But I just wanted to show this. It's more a research project than anything else, but you can embed local LLMs into a PDF file, right? That's really the message here. And these PDF files are then like 25 to 50 meg in size, on average, so probably too large to send via an email. But it's an interesting concept, and that you can run it completely autonomously in the PDF. It doesn't make any calls outside, so the model is actually getting embedded here with that open source software into the PDF. That's all I wanted to show you today. I hope this makes sense and you learned something, and I will see you in the next video.